give me the class for this one. So I will get some credit from the FITZY. FITZY is not giving credit to me. Hmm? Uh, okay, I'm not so doing anything illegal work. Yes, I'm doing something illegal work. No, no. So you should give me classes. So he gave me these classes. So I'm using the FITZY ID properly. I will send this one, and I said you put in the timetable also.
So the
Okay.
Fiji, you're using Fiji, you know, sir.
Because if FITZY ID means they will take credit now. They will give some reward also.
They
Nothing
will give
giving you.
reward. Sir, they won't
Uh,
tell you why are you taking class. They won't scold you, sir.
you can tell now. You can tell, sir, I want this class sir is giving. So nice classes, so it will be very helpful in the coming examination, right? You can
Then
tell. The student
Sir,
can tell.
only sir. Until now, 20 people have subscribed for the channel, sir.
Which channel?
The YouTube channel, which
channel.
in which we are posting that
Arey,
recorded.
arey,
I did not
mm,
subscribe, but I saw, I see, but I didn't
arey,
subscribe.
no, no, no.
Sir, I have subscribed and rang the notification bell also.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, that
I,
is
th-
so good.
I think that is done by the Sanjana only, right?
Yes, sir. I think Sanjana only did that.
It's good. Let her help. Okay. So you'll get something. Yeah, so subscription.
Yes, sir. I think like 1 million
Uh,
subscribers means 1 lakh, sir.
yes, yes. Let her help. Okay. She's doing good. She's doing also good work now. Because someone is missing the classes, so she's putting over there. What's wrong is there? And net is also free. Huh? Yes. Then you can do that. In this way, you are getting good subscribe. What's wrong is there? Hmm?
Sir, I can subscribe from 9 other devices and add more subscribers in that way.
So characteristic is the element of the periodic table which in which is given F block element. The F block elements are the F block. We can say the elements uh, are F elements whose are from atomic number. Atomic number will be your 58 to 71, right? And the second atomic weight is your atomic number is your 90 to 103. Right, yeah, this is not the characteristics. It is not the characteristic. Okay, you just remove it. These are the features only. And this belongs to your 4F now. 4F 1 to 40, right? 4F 1 to 40. And this will be your 5F 1 to 40. 5F 1 to 40. Right, this is the 90 to 103. This one point. Second point regarding F block is the lanthanides occur in the lanthanides. Lanthanides, we can say, occur in nature. Occur in nature in low abundance. In your low, 5F is your not 11. So 1 to 14. It will be 1 to 14 now. 5 to 1 to 14, right? 1, right? 5. Because we have only two blocks. One is 5F, one is the 4F, right? So lanthanides are found in less in number, okay, and therefore these are called. Therefore, these are called rare earth elements. These are called rare earth elements, right? Then next will be these are there are 28 F block elements in periodic table. Already have seen it, this point. and 58 atomic number now. Atomic number 58 71 is called lanthanide series. Lanthanide series. It means so they come after lanthanide. Why? Because they come after lanthanum. So 57. Next is for 92, 103. They are called actinide series. Actinide series. Why? Because they come after actinium. That is atomic number is 89. Right. The next is that all the active night elements are radioactive. This is a rare earth element, but here all the active night elements are radioactive. They are radioactive, and all the elements after atomic number 92, that is uranium 92. That is your U92. 92 are called transuranic element. Transuranic element. So this you have to remember. They are called transuranic element. Others are radioactive. Next point is lanthanide series. This is your actinide series. These are the important points. Okay, now next. Lanthanide series, example, uranium is there now. Uranium, thorium is also there. Then lutetium is there. You can see in the periodic table, it's given there.
Mendelevium.
Mendelevium, okay. So let's come to the properties. No, I'm writing. You have finished all. Now let us see the general other. You can see other general characteristics. Point number 1. They are heavy metals.
So general characteristics of what, sir?
A block. It's not finished.
Oh, okay, sir.
We don't know about the property. We have just see what are the F blocks are there.
Okay,
Other
sir.
result, they are heavy metals. Okay, so they are having a high density. Second point, they have generally high melting point and boiling point. So they have high melting point and melting point and boiling point. Along writing with me, you're all having getting good speed, na? Handwriting also improved. Your handwriting also improved, right? Your speed also improved. Yes.
Sir, it's also okay if we don't write all this now, sir.
So if you won't write notes, also somebody will post you. Also, that's so nice. Nah. Hmm?
Oh, sir, it's
Ah,
saved
Itself
in
is
OneNote, sir, so I'll write it
ah.
after my exam.
Yes, yes, yes. So,
That's
so
right.
all you become lazy also. Wow, super.
sir,
Ah,
you put white color, sir.
somebody is posting the YouTube also. Wow, that's great. How people are so much helpful. The whole world is so
Yes, sir,
nice.
they are very
Huh?
helpful to me.
Huh? No need you studying. If they will give you help like this in the examination also. So nice. You will get full marks. Huh? Yes. But in examination they are not
Not like
helping.
that, no, sir,
In
just the
examination they
notes
are not
what we
helping.
write.
Here everyone is helping. They are giving notes on the YouTube also. They are giving sir is giving OneNote also. Okay. They are giving question paper also. But examination sir is not helping. Sir is not good. Sir is bad. Very bad. Yes. When examination comes, he will not help. In that way, sir is bad, right? Clear?
Sir, what
Other-
happened to the
Sir,
meet?
but doing the OneNote is very helpful, sir.
Not only doing no one, no, you are getting video also, na? Okay. Suppose if you forget class also, you are getting video also.
In
That is also
YouTube
nice.
video.
You'll get video also, na? Okay, okay. If you miss the class, yes, yes, yes. Transuranic, transuranic. It is called transuranic. Okay, and yes, 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 yes. Yes, actually, these elements are radioactive, and most of these elements are not found in nature. Also, okay, they are made from the uranium. They are made from the uranium. You can say most of the elements are radioactive as well as synthetic elements after uranium. So I don't know exactly how many are natural, but maximum are synthetic elements. Okay, synthetic elements they are availability is not in nature. We have to prepare in the laboratory, and their chemistry is very less because they won't exist. As soon as they will form, they will vanish from the your atmosphere, right? So we can say their life is very short. Their life is very short, right? So this is one. That's why we don't have chemistry of F block element, right? Huh. Why? No, no, no. By using the transmutation provided by using the mutation process, radioactive mutation by fission by fission fusion reaction, we can make it. Okay. No, I don't know exactly because this is the high syllabus, na. It is a scope of our syllabus is there, but we can create already element is created now. How our all 180 elements is placed in a period table because maximums are your synthetic elements, right? Last block elements are synthetic elements. Actually, these are fully synthetic, so their half life is very
Sir,
less. Yes.
sir,
What happened?
sir,
Uh-huh.
I actually finished this, sir. F
You finish.
block elements, only 5 points they have given.
No, 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 no. It's still not pending. It's pending. Wait, wait, wait. They have a high
Sir, in
tendency.
that Telegram I have searched for Pradeep, sir. I didn't get.
Okay, I will send once again. Okay, just wait. I will send you once again.
Sir, can you send in WhatsApp also?
Arey, WhatsApp already my whole is full. My it will be hanging. Okay,
Sir, okay, sir. In Telegram, can you send?
I will resend. I will repost it. Right
Okay, sir.
Yes.
to form complexes. So complex is the different type of compound formed by the acid and base reaction. It is a salt. Most of the elementary radioactives are radioactive that are very written here. Colored iron, variable valencies, they form the complexes, rare earth element. Right. I think we have done everything. They are all metals. Remember, F block elements are all are metals. I think only the 5 points are there. 5 points remaining. You see trans-radioactive element. You can add the all additional points written above also, right? Here you also you can add some of the points. Radioactive element is there. Like this, you can add it. Hmm? So with this, the block element is fully finished. So let us see for the add bond.
Sir,
Ah.
is it that the Pradeep chemistry 183.5 MB?
Yes, yes, yes. Good. How
Sir,
you got?
is it 183 checks or 5?
Yes, yes, yes. It is the old
Sir,
book.
I think one you sent. Sir, that you sent in. Sir, that you sent even in June and October 4th.
Yeah.
You sent. Sir.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sir. I will resend it so that it will come again.
Yes, yes. Can you say? Okay. That I already posted. 500 books are there. Telegram is so nice. You can see the back side, the old book also. Hmm. So let us
Sir,
go for
but we are
next.
sending books, sir. But any one author is enough. Nowadays, we don't need even books, sir. We got many books.
Uh-huh. Because initially you
We should
require.
follow only one author, sir. If we follow all authors, then we will get confused.
Now you understand. It's excellent. Good. So let us come to typical or representative element. First, we'll see the normal element. Here we go first, the typical element or normal element. So what is the representative element? Write down. These are the some names. Points given. Just write a note under the heading note. Okay. Important points. Point number one. Typical elements. Typical elements. Right. In the field. So typical elements are the elements of the typical element, or we can use the term representative element. Both are same. Representative element. Right? So element of the second and third period. Okay. Element of second and third periods. These elements are, so these are, write down, these are elements of second, third, right? Second pair elements are, which are the second pair element? Remember, who will tell answer? Second pair,
Lithium,
third pair.
beryllium,
Yes.
boron, carbon, nitrogen,
Yes,
oxygen.
yes, 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 yes. Lithium to this one. Okay.
Lithium to neon.
Lithium to neon.
Uh, Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and chlorine.
Oxygen, fluorine.
And third pair which are coming,
Sir.
all these are called your
Neon also matters.
typical
Sir, who
element.
only left, sir?
Magnesium.
No, we take only this one, metals.
Sodium, magnesium, aluminum. Aluminum.
Silicon,
Silicon,
phosphorus,
phosphorus,
sulfur, and only this one.
sulfur.
That's all, finished. Okay, and element of
Sir,
the
but
seventh
sir,
period.
What about
The
argon?
first period it will be hydrogen and helium, no, sir?
No. We're not taking. Helium, argons are not comes under the representative element or this one typical element. Okay, they won't
Okay.
come. This is the important
Sir,
point.
then for the representative element of the 18 group will be what, sir?
Inert gas. They are called inert gas. Okay.
Yes, sir,
They are
what will be the representative element, sir?
representative element with this one, second, third period element. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon,
So it will
nitrogen.
be neon, sir.
No. Neon all one won't come. They are the inert gases. They won't come. Okay. Yes.
Sir, then hydrogen will it come?
Sir, I think this someone scanned and sent, sir.
What said?
Sir, that Peredi book that someone scanned and sent, sir.
Yes, sir. How you said it? The book is not available, na? You get a scanned form. PDF form is costly. You have to pay the money. Free you won't get.
Yes, sir. I think someone took to scan using cam scanner and then posted.
Yes, anyhow you are getting books now. How they're getting? Huh? You are getting
But
Pradeep
someone's
books.
hard work, sir.
Not only hardware, they
I
are doing
think
more than
this
that.
is unit 4, no, sir. Unit 4, classification of element and
Ah.
periodicity in property.
Yes. And one
Okay,
more.
sir.
A transuranic element is called synthetic element that already we have written. Yes. Now we go for the breeze element. BRED, breeze
Sir,
element.
sir, they have given separate topic for S block elements, sir.
Yes. You are saying first time.
Yes, sir. Now only I'm seeing, sir.
You
Very
are
good book.
you are sending books. I am sending more better than your book, right? You won't read you that book also. You will
Sir,
say
this
usual.
someone sent, sir, not you, sir. Like Yashwant one boy sent, sir.
Yaswant is my student only. Okay.
Oh, okay, sir.
He is studying in NEET. He's studying NEET examination, NEET classes.
Oh, okay.
Surya. Yes. Surya, I know. Yes. Yes. He got not 700, 694 something. 705. 694 was this one, Alan Joel. Alan Joel less than 500 something was the Alan Joel.
Sir, sometimes.
Third periods are the typical element of third periods are called breeze element, right? Breeze called as the are called elements. Okay, so here in case of let's see the example of breeze element.
Oh, from this book only you gave that curve, sir, Lothar.
From those books, it is given every book, right? So let us see the how it is breeze elements. So we have to take two subgroup, right? Breeze element as the right one as the divisions. It is given from Pradeep only. You can see the Pradeep given there. Between
Yes, sir, I think. Yeah, I saw it actually.
yes. All are given Pradeep book. There everyone is copying to each other, right?
Sir, I think NCRT copied.
No, NCRT itself is copying from other book. Okay. NCRT
Yes, sir,
book
but in
there.
India first they copied, so they were the publishers and then all copied.
Yes, all are copying. All coaching. What is the Fiji is not copying. Fiji also copying. Okay. Understood? They're also copying. Everyone is copying.
Sir, but from class 10, Fiji are giving their own syllabus.
No, they nothing on select. Fiji is a coaching institute. They are the helping others, right? Fiji is helping. It's not like they're also copying. So if for magnesium, this magnesium is it is called breeze element. How it is breeze element? So it is showing the property of two groups, group A and group B. So we'll see the which property group A. So group A will be group B. I think showing the property of.
Sir, can you teach thermodynamics?
That I'll be going on. The class is going on thermodynamics class.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, you are seeing class. I'm going, but people are saying that they're becoming very sad. They don't want thermodynamics.
Not all people, sir.
Not all. Yes. Not
Please,
all.
some
Are you
people are
teaching the
telling me that,
thermodynamics with heat or physical
all
chemistry?
people of this batch are interested only, sir.
Yes. So okay, anyhow you got the chance now. Anyhow you got that much chance because at that time they become keep
If
quiet.
you got good marks in BB class 8.
I don't know who got good marks. You can ask.
Yes, sir, that's why I'm asking. I don't know because I'm 7th, sir.
No problem. Next time you'll get good marks.
You're seventh? You're from seventh?
See, this much thing.
Oh.
See, amazing, now. Oh my God! By coming 9th class, how much you will know? Uh-huh. It's okay. You also know so
Who's
many
that
things.
7th standard boy, sir?
And he is speaking now, right now.
Sri Raghav
Sir,
is
who's that 7th standard boy?
Raghav.
Sri Raghav.
Mukundan become a strange. Oh my God!
It's actually good, sir. 7th standard all this much
Yes,
they won't know.
Ah, yes, yes, yes. It's not girl. It's boy only.
No, I think he said it's good.
It's good only. Yes, yes. You also know
Sir,
so
I
many
said
things,
good.
na? Yes, it's also good. Na, you also start learning so many things in class 7. Yes, you also
Sir,
learn.
I
Na?
asked some topic and you are deviating, sir. Who got good marks in BBE?
Yes. Oh, sorry. He asked
Yes, sir,
who.
because we want to know who got good marks in BBE.
Just if you know anyone, you just tell me. I think anyone got good marks? No. You asked like this, who got a 430 plus?
Okay, can someone tell what was the total mark?
Total marks was 450. Who got 430 plus? You asked like that.
Yeah, who got 420 or 430 plus?
Yes, that could be good answer.
Yeah, 420 above. Sir, no one are telling.
Because no one got.
Sir, I didn't even check my marks, sir. I don't know.
Sir, I think, um,
How much you got?
Yes, Neha got 427. Yes, correct.
So what are two subgroups, sir?
So this is the group 2A, group 2. If you remember the Manley periodic table, he divided the group into different parts. Group A, group 1, like that. 6 or 7
Yes,
groups are
sir.
there. So in that group, magnesium is a common group for both these two groups. Okay.
sir,
So magnesium is called bridge
sir,
element.
how will we actually this thing, sir,
Uh,
analyze all the reality virtual things in chemistry? When will we learn that, sir? In lab?
Reality words. No. Reality words you will learn when you pass from the IT.
Sir, no, sir.
Okay.
He's
Sir,
telling.
no.
He's asking when will we like use chemicals in labs and all these things.
Oh, no. You won't get up to 12th also. In 12th also, the most of the
Sir, we can do it at home itself, sir.
home you can do that if you want
Maybe.
to, but in home
Sir,
you have
in
to take
school
it
they
with.
are telling after class
No,
9,
no,
sir.
no. In school, all lab these products are not good. They won't allow
Sir,
you.
sir,
Chemical
there are
substance they won't give
many,
you.
like in Amazon, there are many products, sir,
Uh-huh.
that they give different kinds of chemicals
Yes,
and they
that
themselves
possible.
describe the
Sir,
experiments, sir.
Fiji will
We
provide,
can do it
sir.
and
No.
from
No.
class our own observation.
FITG will give you only the classroom program. It's not like a lab program. Okay. FITG will not. FITG is only for the
It's like a
supporting
school
I,
very.
Sir,
ITG.
for the NEET preparation,
Arey,
people they are
Fiji the
giving, sir,
coaching
Fiji.
institute. Arey, this coaching institute. Why you are considering Fiji with a school? Fiji school is it is run by the CBSE under the guidance of CBSE. Fiji the coaching na. There are no rules. Something is there.
Sir, they are giving for NEET people all, they are giving a lab also, sir.
Fiji is
Fiji.
giving lab also.
Yes, sir, I think they are getting, sir.
Arey, now no one giving.
From Fiji, yeah.
Arey, Fiji you are talking Fiji school na. School will give you whether Fiji school or any school. Okay.
Yes,
Fiji
sir,
coaching
Global
institute.
School of Fiji.
Any school will give you what global. They're under the guidance of government guidelines. Okay, you have to follow the government guidelines. For coaching, they won't give you. Okay, for coaching they won't give you. School
Okay,
they'll
sir.
give you. Any school will give you. It is under the license only. Okay, which is getting high money, so so it is on fees.
Sir,
So
you're
they are
right,
maintaining.
sir.
Sir, in school they do waste, sir. Even in our school, they'll have many things, sir, but they won't give it to us, sir. The teachers will
They
only
will
do
do, sir,
mostly.
but they won't give it in our hands, sir.
They
Yes,
won't give
sir.
you. No, it
Sir,
is
they will
capital.
give above class 11 and 12
Yes, sir.
only,
Above,
sir. From,
in our school,
sir,
above
from
class
class
10
11
they'll
and 12,
give,
they
sir.
will give to us, sir. But
Yes. Wait. One phone is coming. Wait.
Sriraga, please mute.
Hello. हाँ पापा,
not the start.
हाँ क्या हुआ?
Interesting.
हाँ वो पहुंच के वो उल्टा पुल्टा नंबर हो गया, उसको एडजस्ट करना होगा। अब अरे वो पेज 1 2 3 होना चाहिए ना, वो 3 है, 4 है, 7 है, 8 है, 6 है, तो सब बड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो गया, उसको सीक्वेंस से होना चाहिए था। अच्छा वैसे तो हम एक बार देख के उसको सेट कर देंगे, फिर देखेंगे क्या क्या लिखा हुआ है। कुछ स्पेलिंग सब वगैरह सब गलत लिखा हुआ है। हाँ हाँ वो हम चेक करेंगे, उसको अंग्रेजी में लिखना चाहिए था तो पूरा हिंदी में लिखा गड़बड़ा गया। एड्रेस वगैरह नहीं एड्रेस वगैरह है ना, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है ना, क्योंकि एड्रेस का एक भी कहीं गलत जाता है ना तो प्रॉब्लम करता है। ताकि रहता है कि हम लोग का घर का भी और रांची वाले घर का भी एक स्पेलिंग गलत हो गया था तो बहुत गड़बड़ हुआ था। बहुत जरूरी है वो सब चीज़, उसको चेंज कराने के लिए 15 से 20 हज़ार रुपये लगता है कि नहीं? नहीं वो ठीक नहीं हो, रहने दीजिए वैसे ही होगा, वो तो एड्रेस दस्तावेज तो नहीं है। हाँ तो इसमें हाँ वही वही हम उसको एक बार ठीक से अरेंज करके हम रात को देख के उसको सेट कर देंगे, ठीक है? वो 1 2 के सेट कर देंगे, उसको रख देंगे। तो वही देखना था वो, और तो कैसा लिखा तो एक बार पढ़ना होगा ना, क्या क्या लिखा हुआ, क्या कंटेंट है, क्योंकि यहाँ का दस्तावेज जैसे लिखते हैं हम लोग डॉक्यूमेंट में, तो उसमें उसके अनुसार से वो बहुत कम ही लिखा है, तो उसको एक बार पढ़ना पड़ेगा कि उस पर बना क्या लिखा है। हाँ हाँ ज़्यादा नहीं लिखा है तो क्यों कम लिखा है? हाँ अरे नहीं वो उसके वही पढ़ने के बाद ही पता चलेगा, ठीक है? हाँ एक बार पढ़ लें क्या चीज़ है क्या नहीं, पढ़ने के बाद पता चलेगा, ठीक है? क्योंकि यहाँ पर जैसे लिखते हैं ना वो उसका बहुत ही अच्छे से
Sir,
बताते हैं
can you mute?
डॉक्यूमेंट वगैरह सब, है ना? नहीं पापा हर जगह बात है, डॉक्यूमेंट ऐसा ही रहना ही चाहिए, डॉक्यूमेंट वैसा ही रहना चाहिए, समझे? तो उससे उससे क्या होता है कि क्या कहते हैं कि
Sir, can you
काम
mute?
करने में बहुत आसानी होती है, सहूलियत होती है।
He's speaking. I don't know
ठीक है
what's
अभी क्लास ले रहे थे, फिर बाद में बात करते हैं, ठीक है? क्लास
speaking.
के बाद 8 दिन में क्लास खत्म हो जाएगा, ठीक है? प्रणाम पापा।
Sir.